Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a story time, but I will not like expose anyone. No ex drama, no ex best friend drama, but this video is out of pure frustration and anger that I have it's about disappointment that I have been feeling right now, and I just want to share it because I am so helpless about it. So yeah, I posted a reel on my account, on my Instagram account, Shan Yaps. Anyone who knows, so I posted a reel about Splitsvilla. Okay, and if you are if you watch Splitsvilla, you know that there's a heated up controversy that was going on between two contestants of Splitsvilla, Akanksha and Ruru. So क्या होता है Splitsvilla में there's this guy Yogesh and there's this girl Akanksha. They make a really good connection. And when Ruru comes, Ruru is Yogesh's ex apparently. So when Ruru comes, Yogesh just leaves Akanksha and chooses Ruru. So there was a very heated controversy going on between these, and the Instagram was divided into two groups, Akanksha and Ruru. So I was in the group supporting Akanksha, okay, because I don't know, I just supported her. So I posted many reels, many reels about Splitsvilla, and actually I posted because the reels I posted about Splitsvilla were going viral, okay, crazy viral. मेरे तो वैसे 12-13 हजार व्यूज आ जाता था, बट इन माय स्प्लिट्सविला रील देयर वर 500k व्यूज, 600k व्यूज. सो इसीलिए आई पोस्टेड अनदर रील ऑफ योगी शिपिंग ऐसे वो रील देख के लग रहा था कि इस बंदी तो दिस गर्ल सपोर्ट्स आकांक्षा, ठीक है. तो आई सी दैट रील वाज आल्सो गोइंग वायरल एंड इट हिट सम 1 million व्यूज आई गेस. So my dashboard showed 1.3 million and everything. And वो वाला reel it was going immensely viral. लोग comments में आके एक दूसरे को गाली दे रहे हैं, योगी आकांक्षा और रूरू के जो फैंस थे fighting with each other in my comments की ये बोल रहा है कि आकांक्षा अच्छा, ये बोले रूरू, and ये सब हो रहा है. Fully heated up, the comment section is going crazy. तो ऐसे ही I saw a comment which had 0 followers, 0 following, and that comment was mocking me saying कि you are supporting आकांक्षा ना, तुम्हारे साथ भी ऐसा होगा. So ऐसा ही कुछ comment वो बंदे ने किया था, and I got offended because what does that even make? Does that comment even make sense? Anyways, so I visited the profile and saw 0 follower and 0 following. So I just wrote that person कि PR का कितना पैसा मिलता है, because I thought it was a PR account, whatever. So I just wrote this much. I'm telling about it. I'm being very clear about my part. And then after 2-3 seconds, everything was going on only. वो झगड़ा वो everything was going on. And suddenly I opened Instagram. मैं ना हर 2 seconds check करती हूँ कि कितना views है and everything. And I saw that your account is disabled. I will attach screenshot. Sorry, not disabled. It is suspended or something. तो मैंने देख के appeal का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, तो immediately appeal, because इससे पहले I have never been suspended or disabled or anything, and I had no freaking idea कि ऐसा होता क्या है, because I've heard कि लोगों का account suspend हो रहा है, but it has never happened with me. So and I didn't care कि I always thought कि मैं तो कुछ community guidelines violate नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा account तो ठीक ही रहेगा, तो I didn't care much, so I did not have any information. Okay, so I appealed. Okay, appeal के बाद वो लोगों ने face verification के लिए मेरा face का जो selfie लिया, they took everything, they took my identity card to prove my identity and everything. सब कुछ मैंने किया, just took picture of my Aadhaar card and I get everything that was possible. Then they said कि wait for 180 days or something. I said I will get screenshots. Okay, ऐसे ही something they said. So I was I was going restless कि भाई मेरे से क्या हो गया, तो I was going crazy. तो मैं बार-बार login करके देख रही थी कि क्या है, और फिर मैंने जब login किया and they were showing your account is permanently disabled because we have checked everything, verified everything, and we have found that you do not follow community guidelines. And I was feeling that the world has turned for me and I'm gone. अब मैं क्या करूँ, because I know 1.6k followers is not a big deal. I know that 1 million is also not a big deal. But maybe it was because I have built the account. Anyone who's a creator, I have built the account with efforts, and एक video के पीछे it would take hours of editing, makeup and everything. So that much also follower was a lot to me, and my world was shattered because I don't know how to say, but my life's been shit. I have been betrayed by my bestest friends recently, and a guy who I thought was the love of my life apparently left me for the infinite time. He has dumped me for the 5th or 6th time and then started dating someone. I say ये सब चल रहा था मेरी life में. Okay, I was already he was already very much done with my life, and content creation was the only thing that was giving me fuel कि don't give up. इसे मेरे academics भी my academics were also I have gone really down. मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा academic downfall हो गया है, and that is also because of my ex, because वो बंदा he came back during January, February type, I don't remember. And then मेरा जो board का exams था, it was board का exams थे, whatever, ignore my Hindi. So वो था March में, and he broke up with me before my chemistry exam, and my mental health was really fucked up. I could not perform, I could not give my best, I could not even study, and he just fucked up me in that way. So my academics, my friends, my love life, everything was fucked up, and this was the only thing that was growing. My account was really growing, it was reaching audience, it was getting engagement, and ये भी चला गया. I was crying, I was gone and everything. तो तब मैंने YouTube वीडियोस देखना चालू कर किया कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, and they said कि ऐसा me per mail and everything. So I mailed them. I have mailed them infinite times by now. They have not replied to a single fucking mail. And I have like I sent for re-verification and stuff, but they are not. Like, I don't know what's wrong with Instagram. They do not check, like, they do not like कैसे my experience is very bad because I have not like मैंने कुछ गाली वाली भी नहीं दिया. I have not violated any Instagram rules, but they have suspended my account literally, and I don't know the reason. Maybe it was mass report because I was talking against Ruru, and हो सकता है it was mass report by her fans, और हो सकता है कि because suddenly many people were following me, so maybe Instagram has thought that this is a bot account. And there can be many reasons, but they are not even clearly telling me, so that I can understand what my fault is. They're not telling me the reason. They're just saying you have violated community guidelines. Are you brother? Tell me what I have violated. Are you fucking crazy? I don't know. So I'm really pissed. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, next day I open another account and सब ठीक चल रहा था. एक दिन में I got 1K followers and everything was going good. I again posted all my posts and everything. Then जैसे ही like रात हुआ, my new account also got banned, and I was like, bro, what? Like अब तो मैंने री भी नहीं पोस्ट किया है, अब तो like what's my fault now? And then everyone like मेरे जो creator like friends है कुछ who are like really like they're doing really good on this line, so I contacted them and they said me that you know what, maybe तुम्हारे like एक साथ so many people have followed you and you have followed back and you have followed so many people so that they follow back. So maybe Instagram has thought that you are an AI account and this is a bot account. That's why maybe they are banned. So I was like, okay, still justified, but they were still not telling me any reason. Okay, I have appealed and they have rejected the appeal. So I was like, man, Instagram bhai, bata to do, like मेरा fault क्या है, like what's the mistake that I'm making so that I can at least understand कि क्यों कर रहे हो आप लोग मेरा account ban. Anyways, the next day मैंने सब अपनी mail fail कर दिया, फिर I opened another account. ये वाला account में I have neither followed everyone, but people were following me, so I accepted them and followed them back. I was not like following people like crazy, and I have told people कि दो मुझे ऐसे crazy की तरह follow मत करो क्योंकि it might get suspended again. So everything was fine. I did not post anything. I did not do anything कि जिससे लगे कि this AI profile or bot profile. ऐसा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. फिर भी my account that evening got banned, and this was the third fucking time my account got banned. And now I am like fully freaking out. Abhi tak I had patience, but now I am fully freaking out. I'm crying. I'm calling my best friend कि भाई मेरे साथ तो बहुत ही बुरा हो गया. I will die. My life is doomed. मेरा content creator बनना तो सपना था, and that is not gonna happen. I am so like हो गया है मेरा. And everyone, the people who hated me, the people who wanted my downfall must be so happy. I'm fully telling my best friend this कि भाई मेरा जो ex best friend है ना, अब तो उसका like बहुत ही I think वही ने कुछ किया है, and they have like fully nazar, they have given nazar and everything. That time I fully breaking out. I'm like nazar या तो कोई like जानबूझ के report कर रहा है, और I'm like thinking every possible ways that can happen. I'm thinking कि maybe people has reported me, like left targeted me or nazar and all सब वो shit I'm thinking. Okay, then she tell me कि भाई wait, let me make you like talk to some people who are influential and everything. तो I spoke to them. अब मुझे बहुत लोगों से बहुत सारी चीजें जानने को मिली है. So I got to know that maybe one of my friends told me कि maybe your account is IP banned, and if it's IP banned, then no matter how many profiles you make, no matter if you give different email ID and phone numbers, if you make a profile from your account will be banned. And I was like, if this is the case, why? Firstly, तो why am I IP banned? And secondly, how will I then? मेरा सपना है content creator बनना, and I will do it. Like how the अब मेरे पापा मुझे नए फोन खरीद के भी नहीं देंगे because my result is, my academics is not so like low that he will not like नहीं देंगे वो मुझे. तो फिर then I talked to one of my brothers and I told him कि ये हो गया, and he told listen, calm down, I have a friend who has like gone through the same, so do like what you can, like I can suggest you what he has done. So then he said me कि वो that guy has like deleted Instagram and also removed वो app का क्या होता है, I don't know what it's pronounced. I will write it here. Okay, वो you have to go to the settings and delete app का क्या and everything, and then like open a different account in a different device and different mail and different phone number. You have to open that, and you will like use your Instagram with that device for like a month, and then you can like log in your phone, but like even log in after a month, but while logging in you will like have to change the Wi-Fi and like hotspot on करके then log in. So maybe the problem will be solved. So अब like now I have no option left. I have mailed them, I have appealed, I have like done everything possible. So this is, and I have also made new IT and seeing like क्या हो सकता है. So now I have like opened an Instagram account from my grandmother's phone, and अभी तक तो 24 घंटा हुआ भी नहीं है. तो after 24 hours, if I see that the account is not banned, I will start posting and following people, and then I will wait for a month. Then I'll do like I will log in my phone. And I am thinking that I will factory reset maybe. So you guys, please, if you're like been through the same problem, please like tell me what's the solution of this. And also I have like I want to complain to Instagram that they are not even telling me ki what's my fault, what's like wrong with my profile, what community guidelines I have violated. They're not telling me, they're not giving me any solution. And they have like, if they have IP banned, they have IP banned without any fucking reason. I have not done anything. I have like read the community guidelines and I have not violated anything. I was posting my content, I was posting content similar to what other people were doing and growing. So I just don't know. And oh, so one of my friends told me that there's another way. Maybe you can like buy the Meta verified badge in a different, like you can take a friend's account and buy the Meta verified tick wala thing, and then if you buy that verified thing, then you will be like able to talk to Meta AI directly. So then you can click, after buying and getting the access to talking to them, you can just explain them your problem, and maybe that can like, that's a way you can get back your account. And then फिर वो बंदे ने मुझे बोला कि you know what, even if you get back your account, as it has been targeted not once but thrice, therefore there's high chances that even if you get back your account, it will be a dummy account and you will not get enough reach and engagements and everything. So I want you guys to suggest me, what should I do next? Like right now I have just opened an account in my grandmother's phone and I will wait for a month and then do whatever I have told. But other than that, I don't know what to do. So you guys suggest me, should I like buy the Meta AI batch and then text Meta कि भाई मेरे साथ तो ये हो गया है and help me out. ये सब करूँ या फिर वो I just should try. And if you guys have any suggestion, then give me, and please Meta. I don't know if like I'm a very minor creator and being a content creator is my dream. So I just request you to give me my ID back, and like if I'm IP banned, then please open it. Like I don't know what is the fucking way to contact you, but I'm so disappointed. Like I'm so done. Like I'm still like, so that's it. And this is how my life's a mess right now. Also, you know what? क्या हुआ? See, so मैंने piercing करवाए थे, okay? And परसों से my ear was paining, and I saw that there was nothing wrong with my piercing. Why is it paining? So मैंने सोचा maybe hair वेयर कुछ अटक गया था इसलिए पेन हो रहा है. So I just applied some ointment. कल मैंने like I came out from my shower and I saw my ear was bleeding tremendous, and I will attach pictures क्या हुआ था, whatever. And this earring, the same earring was in this ear, right? ये जो flower है, half of the flower was inside my ear का hole. And I was like, what? मतलब earring, वो ear का hole के अंदर earring का ये stone घुस गया था literally. And I could not take that thing out. It was bleeding and bleeding. So I was like, fuck, अब मैं क्या करूँ? And I ran to the parlor. They said कि we don't know if we will be able to fix it, but we will try. Then they just like pushed the earring from back, and वो ऐसे मेरे skin के अंदर से ऐसे निकल गया. It pained so much. It was paining like hell. But they said कि see, if you don't like bear this much pain, you will be taken to the hospital and they will like cut the earring and take it. I think that will be more painful. So whatever, they just took it out. It pained a lot. It took my fucking heart out. But anyways, then I went to the hospital. वो उन लोगों ने like dressing वगैरह किया, and then वो tetanus भी लगाया, मुझे TT लगा, and then yeah, that's it. Maybe this piercing hole, like, it has like become very, the hole has enlarged, and I don't know if it will be fixed or anything. Abhi tak to this is it. And yeah, so यही, I am grateful that मेरा YouTube ID ठीक है. नजर मत लगाना please. और जो लोग मेरे like मुझे नजर लगाते हैं, the people who hate me, because I know many people hate me, I'm telling you, please भाई अब बंद कर दो भाई. हो गया है भाई downfall. It like I have fallen so bad. I don't know how to get up. What are the ways to raise up again? So ये भाई अब रुक जाओ भाई, अब मत लगाओ ना नजर please. Anyways, I hate those bitches, but anyways, so goodbye, and please like please pray to God that for like so that I get my account back. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.